Beautiful tucked away remodeled home in a unique location in the middle of the block between 9th and 10th Streets in the Sanford Heights area. Comprehensive remodel of the old house in 2015 and rebuilt into a 2-bedroom/2-bath lovely modern home west/vaulted ceilings and open design west/electric fireplace and lovely laminate floors. Large lot is uncommonly level with oodles of parking. No step entry 1-level home. Large laundry room off of kitchen and bonus storage room over the garage. Fenced backyard.